Ivan from Activist Media, and I am going to brief you about Shop Cricket League, which is presented by Yes Bank. First of all, I will explain you about the what kind of promoter we need. We are not looking for very good English speaking promoter. We are looking for promoter who can communicate in local language, a good Hindi. That will also do. In South region, if they can speak in good Tamil or good Malayalam, as per the convenience of the shopkeeper, that will be preferred. But promoters should be clean shaved. They should wear sports shoes and a denim jeans without any design, a plain denim jeans. First of all, they have to reach the branch by 10 o'clock. They should contact the branch person. After that, every branch person will accompany them. Every promoter will be accompanied by a branch person. They will go to the respective market which is already decided by the branch. Now I will demonstrate about the game. There will be A3 size sunboard like this. This is just a printout to demonstrate, but there will be a real A3 size Shop Cricket League board which we can use to play the game. There will be two type of dice. One is a target dice on which there will be score like 18, 20, 24, 28, 30 and 36. And the other dice is a scoring dice on which you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7%. 7% is a part of marketing campaign. Normally you can see any other dice is with 6, but here 7% is a part of the marketing campaign. Yes Bank gives 7% interest on the saving account, which other banks give 6%. Now how to play the game? First of all, they have to approach a shopkeeper. They have to ask them, are they interested in playing the game? They have a time. Then they should start the game. First of all, the shopkeeper have to roll this target dice. I'll just demonstrate you. Suppose the score is 20. Now, if you know the concept of super over, which normally we see in IPL, it's based on that concept only. Now, the score with the help of scoring dice, we have to achieve 20 runs within a 1 over. Now, this is a scoring dice. On a first ball, I got 2 run, total is 9. 6 ball, 2 run, total is 11. Here I lost the game. I'll again demonstrate it, the same game. Again the target dice 20. 20 is the score, is to be done in 6 attempts. First ball 5 runs. Second 3 runs, total 8. Third 2 runs, total 10. Fourth 2 runs, total 12. Fifth 1 run, 13. Now on a last ball we need 7 runs. And sixth ball 4 runs, total 17. Here I again lost the game. The concept is very simple. I don't think so it's very difficult to conduct or anything which cannot be understandable. It is very easy game. After playing this game, promoter have to fill up this sheet. If you can see, promoter first have to mention name of the branch for which he is playing this Shop Cricket League, branch code which will be provided by branch, name of Yes Bank employee who is coming with the promoter to accompany him and to brief about the sales knowledge, employee code. Now there is a name of shop where he is playing, name of a player or the shop owner you can say, what kind of shop it is in a brief, like retail shop, hotel it is, trader shop, whatever, wholesale market or wholesale shop. Then landline number is mandatory, because after that the sales team can follow up with them on a landline number. Mobile number is landline number is more authentic normally. Then mobile number, then the person who played the game won or not, Y or N, yes or no. Then feedback, if you like the activity you can write like, if you don't like the activity you can write no. Then the product he is interested in, like Yes Bank have various products, you can mention any 2 products and the sign of a player. This is very simple activity. and I don't think so there will be any problem. Maximum 2 to 3 minutes can be spent in a one shop to play the game and to fill down the feedback form. Gift, whoever winning the game will get a travel bag from Yes Bank after 2 days from the activity, and whoever even losing, he will get the participation certificate as well as the IPL scheduler. So this is very simple activity, that's all. I don't think so anything else is required. Good luck.